The new Bürstner Habiton is a compact campervan based on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter designed for the 2026 season. At under 6 meters in length, it combines everyday usability with premium comfort. Inside, you'll find 2 true single beds, an optional pop-up roof, a flexible half dinette, and Bürstner's patented movable wet room. This unique design allows more living space during the day, while in the evening, the wet room shifts back to make room for fully unfolded beds. The kitchen is practical and accessible from inside and out. It includes a sink, gas cooker, and a 69-liter compressor refrigerator with freezer compartment. Perfect for 2 or up to 4 with the pop-up roof. Smart use of space, foldable beds, and flexible bathroom solutions create an open, spacious feel. Positioned in the mid-price segment, the Habiton expands Bürstner's range with a Mercedes-based model. Technical highlights include 95H AGM battery, upgradable to 150H lithium diesel-powered hot water heating system, no gas required, 90-liter wastewater tank for longer trips, 110 liters of fresh water on board for greater independence. The Bürstner Habiton 2026, Mercedes quality, innovative design, and surprising versatility, starting at €72,999.